ngiyabingelela nonke emakhaya
I'm greeting all of you viewers at home,
endaweni zonke
all the place,
Zulu Natal
all over KwaZulu-Natal,
Eastern Cape
Mpuma Kapa,
Mpumalanga
Mpumalanga,
Limpopo
Limpopo Province,
even emazweni
and
angaphandle
all the other outside countries,
Swaziland
Swaziland,
Mozambique
Mozambique,
Nigeria
Nigeria,
Malawi
Malawi,
umprofeti oxaba lo
Prophet Dr. Hector.
nasi simeme
This is an
uhlezi
invitation.
ekhaya
Stay at home.
uneyinkinga
You got problems.
izinto zakho
Your
zimnyama
matters are tenebrous.
abantwana bakho
Your children
abasebenzi
are unemployed.
bafundile
They are
baphethe
educated.
certificate
They've got credentials. You
ubafundisile
are taught
wena
them.
mama
You mother.
ungenababa
You are a single mother.
wabakhulisa
You
ngemali
brought them up with the money. The
ngemali
money.
oyisebenzile
Let you work.
emajaldini
They're as a
ezindlini
maid.
bahleli manje
They are not working.
abasebenzi
They're unemployed.
ngithi mina
I say to you,
ngomhla ka
on the
25
25th
and 26
26th,
ngiyakumema
I'm inviting you
ungabe usuke
to
eNatal
be from KwaZulu-Natal,
Limpopo
Limpopo,
indawo zonke
all over.
ngithi party
I
certificate
say provide yourself with the
Party
credentials,
certificate
all the
esengane yakho.
certificate of your child,
party ID
book of life.
ngithi imali zakho
Your
ayiphumi
monies are jammed and
Emgwaqeni.
blocked. The road,
ayiphumi khona owalimali
someone got
wena mama
injured.
ngiyakubona
You I can see your
lapho
mother,
ekhaya.
wherever you are at home.
umile
You
njengamanje
standing there.
uphethe
You
amaphepha
got all these papers.
yashona indoda
Men
yakho
died.
imali ayiphumi
Monies are blocked.
Ngithi mina,
I say to you,
ngiyakumema lapha.
I'm inviting you.
Ngiyakumema.
I invite you
Ngomhla ka 25
on the 25th
and 26.
26.
gibela imoto
Take the vehicle.
gibela
Take
indizi
the plane.
uze la kumprofeti
Come to the prophet.
ngizoba
I'm going to
nenkonzo
have a service
yabantu bakamoya
of spiritual beings.
ngizoba
I'm
nenkonzo
gonna have a service,
yokulayitela izinto
to burn
zakho
stick your matters,
yokulayitela
to burn the
amadlozi wakho
stick of your
namathonga wakho
ancestors, your
ngithi
progenitors.
ungahlali
I said, do not stay
Ngifuna
at
wena.
home. I want you.
wena ngiyakubona
You, I can see.
washonelwa
Someone died.
indoda
Your man.
washonelwa
Someone died.
umfazi
Your wife
awugezwanga
died. You
wena
not purified and cleansed.
wachithekelwa isisu
Someone miscarried.
njengamanje
Right now,
into
your
zakho
matters
zihlangahlangene
are
Nangu
collagenous.
umprofeti
This is a prophet
wabantu
of African
obuyashisa
prophet, the one
impepho
who burns the incense.
ngithi mhla ka
I say on the
25
25th
and 26
26
lapha ekhaya
here at home.
ngithi woza la
Come.
phathi ingubo
Provide
yokulala
yourself with a
nangu
blanket. There is
umprofeti
a prophet.
phathi ingubo
Provide
yokulala
yourself with a
ngifuna
blanket. I
ukuphakamisa
want to elevate you.
2023
2023.
owakho lo
It's
nyaka
yours.
ngithi mina
I say
okungenzeki
what is impossible
kuzokwenzeka.
will happen.
ngithi ngomhla ka
I say on the
25
25th
and 26
26th.
ngizoba nenkonzo
I'll be having a service
mhla ka
on the
25
25th.
kuyobe kumgqibelo
Saturday.
iyongena ngo-7
7 o'clock.
iphume ngo-4 ekuseni
In the morning.
phinde kubuye ngo-10
Then come
mhla
again to the
ka-26
26th.
sizolayita
Then we're gonna burn
amakhandlela
the stick candles.
phatha imbewu
Provide
yakho
yourself with the seed.
yokuzogeza
Seed to come and
amathonga
purify
wakho
your ancestors.
220 rand
220 rand.
ngithi mina
I say to
Into zakho
you,
zivalekile.
your matters are blocked.
ukhona umuntu owafela
Someone died
kuwena
on your
esandleni sakho
hands
lo
while
muntu
you holding
uhlezi
him, while you're sitting.
ngizoba
I'm
nemhlatshelo
going to have a ritual.
Imbuzi eziwu-2.
Ritual 2 goats.
ngifuna
I
ukukugeza
want to purify you.
Ngikuwashe.
I want to cleanse
Wachithelelwa
you.
yisisu.
Someone miscarriage.
Into zakho ayilungi.
The matters are tenebrous.
Zimnyama.
Dark and
Awakheki.
tenebrous. No construction.
kumnyama
Dark.
useyikweletini njengamanje
All credits.
ene wena
You.
une problem
You got inkinga.
lapha ekhaya
There at home.
awuphuphi
You don't dream.
ulala ubuthongo
You sleep like a
obukufa
deceased person.
Awuphuphi.
You don't dream.
uyaphupha
You are dreaming.
uyakhohlwa
You forget.
Ngithi come.
What?
ngomhla
On the
ka-25
25th
and 26
26th.
akusale
Only
inja nekati
only
ekhaya
dog and a
akusale
cat.
inja
Only
nekati
dog and
ngomhla
cat.
ka-25
25th
and 26
26
uDr. X
Dr. X
uzobe emile la
will be standing here.
Fona njengamanje.
Phone right now.
fona
Phone
njengamanje
right now.
fona
Phone
njengamanje
right now.
ufuna
You want
ama-products
products.
iy'washo
Cleansing
zomprofethi
materials of the prophet
Ezizokusiza.
that will assist
Phone
you.
njengamanje.
Phone right now. You're
sizokuposela
gonna post them to you. You're
sizokuposela
gonna carry
lapha
them to
ekhaya
you. That home.
izinto
Your
zakho
matters
zizohlangana
will be okay.
ngithi mina
I say to
Ngithi
you.
mina.
I say to you.
woza
Woza,
Ngiyakubona
please
lapha.
come. I see you
Ngiyakubona
there.
lapha.
I see you
Ngiyakubona
there.
lapha.
I see you there.
Kumnyama.
It's darkened.
Awudlile.
You didn't stop
Ngithi
me.
mina.
I say to you.
Ngiphethe ingelosi.
I've got an angel.
Kunengelosi.
There is an angel.
Kunomntwana.
There is a child
Ozelwe la.
that is given
Encwabeni.
birth. That
2023.
2023.
Umnyama
It's
emsamo.
dark there in the
Into
system.
zakho ayikhanyi.
Your matters are
Awuphuphi.
tenebrous. You don't dream.
Kumnyama.
It's dark.
25
Tenebrous.
and 26
26.
February.
February.
Ngithi come.
Awoza.
Uma ufika eGoli,
If you come to Durban,
sifonele.
come.
Zikhona
phone
imoto
us. We
zomprofeti
of the prophet. We
ezokulanda.
come and collect
Ngithi
you
lapha ekhaya.
wherever you are.
Fona
There, phone
njengamanje.
right now.
Wena ufuna
You
iwasho
want cleansing material
zomprofeti.
of the prophet.
Fona njengamanje.
Phone right now.
Fona
Phone
njengamanje.
right now.
Ake nishaye
Yes,
izandla
phone,
enqabeni.
clap the hands.
Ake nikikise.
You relate also.
Kikisa.
You relate.
Kikisa.
You relate.
Kikisa.
You relate.
Kikisa.
You relate.
Inkosi nibusisa.
God bless you.
Uboyiphatha kahle indlu olala kuyo.
You must be gentle in your bedroom.
Ukuze uJehova uNkulunkulu
So
wakho
God, Jehovah, your God,
angacasuka ukuza kuwe
not
ngephupho.
get irritated to visit you in dream.
Angacasuka ukuza kuwe ngephupho.
Not get irritated to come to you through dream.
Ake ngikhulume imfihlakalo.
Let me speak confidentiality.
Imfihlakalo eyenzeka kwaIsrayeli. Ngangingekho.
Secret that took place to the Israelites land. I was never there though.
Zonke izinto esifunda kuleli
Everything
iBhayibheli
that we read on the Bible there,
sasingekho.
we were not there.
Futhi bonke abantu esifunda la ngabola
Those people that we are reading about,
bonke bafa.
they are no more.
Futhi
All
ngeke
of them.
ubaphuphe.
You cannot dream about them.
Ngeke ubabone ngisho
You can't
ebusuku.
even see them in your vision.
Singalifunda iBhayibheli.
Read all the Bible.
Siqale as from Genesis
Genesis
to isambulo.
to the Revelations.
Kodwa laba abantu abala
The people that are in there,
ngeke ubaphuphe
you
ebusuku
cannot
ngamonele.
dream about them even if you are sleeping.
Ngoba nabo
Because
bashiya isizukulwane sabo
they left their generations
okumele sibaphuphe.
that they should dream about them.
Ake ngixoxe indaba.
Let me narrate something to you.
uNkulunkulu isikhathi esiningi
God in most cases
ukhuluma ngephupho
speaks through dreams,
nangesibonakaliso.
through visions.
Khona iphupho
There is a dream.
kube khona
There is
isibonakaliso.
a vision.
Yini iphupho?
What is a dream?
Yinto iboniswa
It's a thing
ulele.
that you are visualizing while you are sleeping at night.
Yini
What
isibonakaliso?
is a vision?
Isibonakaliso
It's a vision.
yinto othi mawuhleli
Something when you're sitting,
hayi ulele.
not you're sleeping.
Uma uhleli nje
When you're sitting,
kuthi zipha zipha
then you
zipha
feel like you get
kube
taken,
ngazathi lapha kubamnyama
you are taken to the
ebese
tent.
ubona something.
Then you go, you see something.
Awulele
You are
lapho.
not sleeping.
Isibonakaliso ke
That
lesi.
is called a vision.
Kumele sihlukanise.
You need to
Kukhona
differentiate.
isibonakaliso.
There is a vision.
Kukhona
There
iphupho.
is a dream.
Ake ngikhulume
Let me speak.
imfihlakalo.
It's a confidentiality.
Angikhuluma
Let me
imfihlakalo.
speak about the
Ngicela ukuthi ungizwe
confidentiality.
kahle.
Listen, get me well.
Ngithi
I
Nkosi
say, God,
ngisize.
help me.
Ngiphe indlebe
Give me
kamoya.
the spiritual ears.
Ngiphe amehlo
Give me the
kamoya.
spiritual eyes
Ngikhulume imfihlakalo.
to speak the confidentiality.
Uma ungaqondi,
If you don't comprehend,
unga-understand
ungaqondi tu
izinto zikamoya,
spiritual things,
uyohlupheka noma usula
you're
ngaphakathi.
gonna be poor even if you are inside here.
Uyohlupheka noma
You're
sewuseqinisweni.
gonna be poor even in the truth.
Ngelikhulu ibhadi,
Unfortunately,
kukhona abantu
there
abezwayo
are people that are conceiving,
kodwa bangenzi.
yet they don't
Lento
practice what they
abayitshelwa
conceive.
umoya.
Whatever is told by the
Bangayenzi.
Spirit, they don't practice it.
Ukungayenzi kwabo
Don't do it.
abayi
They don't go
empumelelweni.
to the success.
Angikhulume lokho.
Let me speak this.
Okay, ake ngishone ngapha eBhayibhelini engalibhalanga. Angilazi leli iBhayibheli.
Let me quote from the Bible that I did not write.
Ngagcina ukulifunda esikoleni bathi i-religious ngesilungu senu.
Ezenkolo,
Ezenkolo
religious.
sasifundisa ukuthi uJosepha waphupha.
Joseph, he had a dream.
Isibusiso uma siza,
When it's coming,
uNkulunkulu mayeletha isibusiso kuwe.
bring the blessing to you.
Ngeke umbone
You cannot see
uNkulunkulu
the physique
ngamehlo.
of God.
Usebenzisa isidalwa
Using messengers.
sakini
Oh, messengers.
noma sebenzise ingelosi engazange zaphila la ngokwenyama.
Lived on earth.
Ayitshele
Let me tell you,
kukhona idalwa
there are messengers.
ezaphila esibongweni sakini,
Left in the same name.
ezaphila ngokwenyama.
Lived at one state with flesh.
kwafika isikhathi sokuthi sihambe kulomhlaba
due for them to leave this place
Ezigazi
alone.
lakho.
Some of them were your blood,
Ezinyama
your
yakho.
bloodline and your flesh.
zangcwatshwa
They got
emathuneni
buried there to the cemeteries.
indaba ayipheleli
Does
emathuneni
not goes
Why?
beyond kungani.
ngoba umuntu
Because a
ungumoya
human being is a spirit.
uma ukhona umzimba wasemhlabeni lo mzimba kamoya ongenziwanga ngezandla wasezulwini ukhona futhi
That is not no manual is there.
uma lesidalwa
Messengers,
laba bantu bakini
your people
behambile nabangcwaba
departed, buried and all.
bavuka
They
ngale
got resurrected on the other side.
bavukela ezweni likamoya lakini bahlangabezwa nayimndeni yakini nokhokho bakho bahlangabezwa omkhulu nogogo
progenitors and your female progenitors.
laba bantu
Those people,
bayaphenduka
they change.
ngale sebenjengey'ngelosi
They become like angels on the
Umvencane.
right. Sovereign Lord,
usebenzisa bona
is
kuwena wena
utilizing
osaphila
them to you while
emhlabeni
you're still in flesh on earth.
uthumela bona
He's sending them.
ake ngiyeke kule ncwadi
Let me go to the script.
ngeke ngiyivule ngoba ngiyena umuntu webhayibheli
I'm not a scriptural person.
Ngoba nina natshela ukuthi
You are
uNkulunkulu
also not
useyibhayibhelini.
people in the scriptures.
angiphinde
Let me reiterate.
ibhayibheli
Bible
angeke likuphi
is
ukudla
not gonna give you no
Noma
food.
ungakufundi ekuseni.
Even if you can read in the morning.
ayikho imiracle eyovela phezulu njengemana yehlele ephekwe ibhayibheli
No
olifundayo
miracle like a manna that will descend upon the Bible that you are reading.
ibhayibheli
The Bible.
le ncwadi oyifundayo
Scripture that you are reading.
angeke kulethele
Not
imali
gonna give you the money.
ngeke kulethele
Not gonna
umfazi
give you the wife.
ngeke kulethele
Not
imoto
gonna give you the
ngeke
vehicle.
kulethele
Not
indoda
gonna give you the female partner, male partner.
you are never
Ngeke.
ngabe unamanga
You could be a liar, planted liar.
sagcina ngokuthi kuthiwe kwathi
So
ama-israyeli
the Israelites,
esehlane
when they were there in the wilderness,
kwehla i-kentucky fried
then
chicken
these
imana
people
ezulwini
went
bagcina lapho
from heaven descended to them.
noma ungakhala
You
kanjani
could be complaining anyhow.
Noma ungakhala,
You could complain
ulifunde kusuka
anyhow.
ekuseni.
You read from the morning.
ayikho imali
There is no money
eyokatha kaphezulu
that is going to descend from heavens.
phela nakho uzokhumbula
You can recall
bathi kwakunentombi
when there was this woman,
kusho lona ibhayibheli
the scripture says that
kwakunentombi
there was this woman
okuthiwa umariya
called Umaria.
bathi yaye engayazi
He
indoda
said he was a pure
ngami
virgin.
ngekho ngikhuluma
I was
ngomlando
not
is a
there.
history
About
of the Israel
Imbali of the Israelites
umlando
is a history.
yathi lele
Angel came through dream.
kwakumele kuze
Then
isibusiso
the blessings
ezweni lakwaJuda kuze
to
uJesu
the Jews, then
Ezozalwa.
Jesus will be conceived
yiyo le ntombi
and given birth by this
Uma
pure
ifika
virgin.
ingelosi,
When the angel arrived,
elele uMaria
while she was sleeping,
ithi wena uzozala
you're gonna give birth, you're
uzokhulelwa
gonna get pregnant,
umntwana
a child.
igama lakhe
The name of the
Kuyoba
child
nguJesu.
will be called Jesus.
uyena oyosindisa
One will be a
laba
savior
bantu
of the people
ephushini
through dream.
isibusiso samaJuda
Blessing of the Jews
seza ngephupho
came through dream.
ukuze amaJuda
Jews,
Akhululwe.
for them to be
Athole
emancipated,
isibusiso.
to get a blessing.
asithola ngephupho
They find it through a dream.
ayikho into ebalulekile
Nothing
njengokuphupha
very important more than dreaming.
Njengesibonakaliso.
Like a vision.
already ma ungasaphuphi
Oh, if you don't dream anymore,
unjengomuntu ofile
you're like a dead person.
kumele mawulele
When you are sleeping,
ube nephupho
you must have a dream.
nakho ngilala ngikhona
Oh, here I am.
ubani owayazi
Who knew
ukuthi ngiyofika la
that I will be up to here?
kumele ube nephupho
You should have a dream.
bese uba nombono
Then you must have a vision also.
umbono uyafuneka nje
Vision
noma
is
ungalele
required even if you are not
njengoba
sleeping.
kuqala unyaka
This
nje
is commencement of the year.
yiba
You
nombono
must have a vision.
ukuthi mina ngifuna
Then
ukwakha ukukhulisa isibongo
I want
sakithi
to multiply and extend my
Ngifuna
family.
ukuganwa.
I want to get
Ngifuna
married.
imoto.
I want the vehicle.
ngifuna umuzi
I want the homestead.
ngifuna ukwenza lo mbono ucabanga imali ingekho
beforehand, before you can
ucabanga lento ungasebenzi
when you're unemployed.
kulo 2023
2023,
uma unombono
there is a vision.
uJehova uyangenelela
God interferes.
Mubi umuntu ongenawo umbono
Person does not have a vision.
yiba nombono
You must have a vision,
ngokwasemhlabeni
at least.
bese uba nephupho
Then there must be a dream
ngokukamoya
in spirit.
angikhulume kini
Let me speak to you.
khona isikhathi lapha abantu bakena bangakulahla khona bakulahle bakunyanye unyanywa abangani bakwehlulele bethi nothing kanti ezweni lakhe likamoya bathi something abakamoya
So, ikhona into there on the realm of the spirit.
that's why kukhona intshumayelo ethi
Because there is a preaching that says
umuntu akalahlwa
a person cannot be banished.
umuntu
A
akalahlwa
person cannot be rejected.
bese kuthiwa
Then,
don't judge anyone
ungahluleli muntu.
ungamehluleli umuntu
Do not adjudicate for
ngoba
anybody.
mawuhlulela umuntu
Because if you is judging somebody,
uyomjaja
you're gonna adjudicate.
kanti amathonga
Then
kubo
the ancestors on the other
Uyena
side,
ozovusela
he's
umuzi
the one
labaya.
who's gonna rebuild the homestead.
uyena ozobathethela amaqala abashiwa bewenzile labaya
There are crimes that they commit.
uyena ozokwenza imisebenzi yasekhaya abayishiya bengayenzanga yena lo muntu esenimlahlile
Rituals that are due will be performed by the one that is rejected already.
olahliweyo
Banished,
akalahliwe
not repelled.
ezweni likamoya
In the realm of the spirit.
okay
Look,
awubheka uDr X
see who Dr. X.
ngiyathanda ukukhuluma naye
I want to say something about myself.
ngimi kuphi namhlanje
Where I am today,
khona ifundiswa la
there are professionals
Hey,
and
Jazi.
academics here.
la kuza ngisho abantu ababuye eParliament
Even people, MPs are coming. to
khona
the
abantu
place.
abeze yabo mina ngifaka
I'm
uthayi
saying I've got this necktie.
konke kuyenzeka ngoNkulunkulu
Everything is possible to God.
uyangibona ngifaka uthayi
You see, I'm putting on the necktie.
angaze ngufake ngisho esikoleni ngiqala ukufaka uthayi
Even
la
at school, I only start now.
khona abantu abeza la
There are people that are frequenting this place,
ifundiswa
professionals,
ngokwasemhlabeni
athletes.
eyinamajazi
They've got these garments, these big garments.
kukhona abantu abeze kulomnyango
People can enter through that door.
abaseyikhundleni
They are in position.
Abanye
high
bafike
profile.
ikhundla zingekho.
Some men don't
Beza
have
kulo
position.
muntu lo.
They came to this person.
ohamba ngokukamoya
Person that goes through spirit.
abanye bakhona eParliament engingathathe ngabafaka eParliament
I elevated them.
abanye bayabaza abanye la ngihlala ngikhuluma ngabo la
Some of them I speak about them sometimes.
beze kulo
They
muntu
came to this person. The
onolwazi
person that is knowledgeable
Lukamoya.
of the spirit.
bese kulo muntu
Person,
onolwazi
one knowledgeable
lwemfihlakalo
of the confidentiality.
inyo into edingayo
There is only one thing that you need
ukuze uphumelele
for you to get a breakthrough.
imfihlakalo
It's a confidentiality.
awubheke le
You
ndoda
see this gentleman, the
eyayilahliwe
man that was rejected,
ihlala
man
eshenta
that used to stay on Pemeni,
ilala phansi
sleeping on a floor,
ngeyingubo
with
ezinukayo
all the stinking
le
blankets.
ndoda engenawo
This man
isisenti
did not was penniless.
ndoda ela phambili.
The man in your presence,
Eyayiwumlahlwa.
he used to be a
ndoda ela
rejected
phambili.
person. In the presence there,
Eyayinuka.
he was stinking.
kanti ezweni
Yet in
likamoya
the realm of the spirit,
Ayinuki.
he's not stinking.
Lalela la.
Listen here.
lezi ilondo
These
nazo
wounds that you have,
Abakuthuka ngazo.
they are swearing you
Abathi
about.
wena.
They say you,
Wena. Wena.
you,
Uyozufa
you're
nje.
gonna die like this.
awudalwanga
You are
yibona
not created by them.
awuyena
You are
wabo
not theirs.
awuzange udalwe
Not
yibo
created by them.
wena
You
ithemba ungalilahle ngizosho
do
njalo
not
manje
lose the hope.
ngizosho
What I'm
ukuthi
saying to
kuwe
you,
konke kuyenzeka
everything is possible.
Konke kuyenzeka.
Everything is possible.
ezweni likamoya
Realm of the spirit.
awubheke nguphi
You'll
namhlanje
see where I am today.
uyangibona ngihamba aphi namhlanje
See where I'm walking today.
lo muntu wayehamba ehlane namhlanje
That
uhamba
was
ku-freeway
he was a wanderer today. Uthela wayeka.
lo muntu owayisikoro sekuthiwa isikorokoro
Like a vintage
namhlanje uhamba
car.
kuphi namhlanje
Today, where is he?
uhamba aphi
Where
namhlanje
is he today?
uhamba aphi
Where
namhlanje
is he walking?
lo muntu owayilahliwe namhlanje uhamba
Used to
aphi
be banished. Where is
namhlanje
he today?
ababemlahlile
People that rejected me,
basondele kimi
they come
namhlanje
and bow to me.
leswayi lithi
Because the word says
uNkulunkulu uyadlala itafula
table in
phambi kwezitha zakho
the presence of
uJehova uyadlala itafula phambi kwezitha zakho lalela la
Listen here.
akakapheli ngawe
Not finish about you.
akakapheli ngawe
Not finish about you.
mawusaphila
You are still alive.
is not over
Akuphelanga neze.
athi sekuphelile kanti akakapheli
Oh, it is exhausted, yet it's still outstanding.
abanye basebeshilo ngamanye amagama
They gave you names.
yikho kunengoma
You got
engiyithandayo
music that I adore.
ethi lo Thixo
Oh, this God,
ngiyamvuma
I agree.
uyayithatha into
He can
engelutho
take the poor of the poor
ayenze ihlale namakhosi
and enthrone the
lalela
person.
la
Listen here.
noma uyihlo
Even if your biological
Owaphuma
father, the
kuyena.
parent who came from his
Okhalweni.
loins, from his loins, he
Phikile mntanami.
rejected you.
Esoni likamoya.
The realm of the spirit,
Abakuphikile wena.
God rejected you.
noma ulahlwe zihlobo
Rejected by your
noma
relatives.
ulahlwe abangani
Rejected by your
noma
friends.
bethi umthakathi
Say you are a
noma
witch.
bekubiza ngey'nhlamba
Call you
noma
insult.
ekhaya
If they
ungenalo
don't
izwi
have no way.
one day
Ngolunye usuku,
bazokudinga
they will need you.
ngiyamthanda uMapri
I like uBrenda.
ngiyamthanda uMapri
I like uBrenda.
ethi msuku umbulala
So do not destroy him.
one day
Ngolunye usuku,
uzomdinga
you're gonna need him.
bangaki ababulewe
How many people that are killed
ngokukamoya
in spirit
emndenini
by their families?
khona la
Yeah, among you.
Bangaki abantu
How many
babulawa
people
abazali
destroyed by their families?
babulawa abafowabo
Their sibling
babulawa
brothers,
odadewabo
their sister
emoyeni
siblings in spirit.
bababukela phansi
They undermine
Ngelinye
them.
ilanga,
One
lo
day,
muntu
the
okubulele
person that you have killed,
Uzomdinga.
you're gonna need him or her.
nani iqiniso
There is a truth.
ngimile
I'm
namhlanje
in your presence today.
ngangingacabangi
I did not imagine
ukuthi ngiyoba
that
nemoto
I could have a fleet of cars.
ngangingacabangi
Did not imagine
mina
myself.
anginawo umuzi
I don't have a
umuzi engiwakhila ngona wami
that I've constructed
owabantu
not
bakithi
belongs to the
umuzi
Kabazi.
kababa
It's my father's homestead.
Lalela.
Listen
le
here.
moto
The
nayo
vehicle that we have,
umsebenzi onawo
the job that we have,
Awona wakho.
it's not yours.
Unikeziwe.
It's given to you.
yikho kumele uyiphathe
That is
kahle imali
why
yakhona
you must keep
ungayidlabazi
it. You do not
ungayidli
squander it.
uzawungizwa
You're gonna hear me. You're
uzawungizwa
gonna comprehend
Uzawungizwa.
me. You're gonna understand
ngoba
me.
kukhona abantu abangayindawo
There are
abaqala kudala
people
ukusebenza
that are in the
abashadile
system, they are not married.
awutshele waqala nje ukusebenza
When you start to work,
uneminyaka
now you got years.
20 years kule firm. lo mfazi ohleli ngeke ngisho ukuthi umfazi le ngane yomuntu ohleli nayo awakayiloboli namanje wena
haven't paid dowries.
and sawuze wazala
Until
iy'ngane
you gave birth to the children.
lezi ngane oyizele kuleya ntombazane ngoba phela uma lokho ukuthi unomfazi unomfazi unentombi manje
You got a mistress, a girlfriend.
ngoba uma ngingaqhamuka omunye nje uzothi mina mntanami ngiyayishaya
I've got cackles for you.
ziyaphelela
Enough.
lo muntu onayo ohlezi nawe ungafuni ukumlobola ukumqedela ukumqholisa ngenyongo usengahamba noma kunini
That one can abandon you and cheat you.
ngoba vele ekhaya kini uyafana nje nasi isivakashi
You've got a visitor there.
ngokomthetho
Normally,
umuntu wesimame lo naye
female that you have
uma kukhona isithebe ekhishwa
is
isithebe
a trade there from the kitchen.
esamakhosikazi
Of the
ashadile
women that
akangena
are
kahle namakhosikazi
She
ashadile
is excluded from those women.
futhi kumele ahlalele
She must stay far away from them.
wena ke uyathanda na ukuthi
You
umkakho
don't like your wife.
lokho ukuthi nibafake esithebeni nabanye abafazi abashadile bathela ngenyongo
to be customized.
niphambanisa izinto
You
la ngaphakathi ekhaya
confusing
nixova
matters
izinto
at home. You are juggling things.
anginandaba mina ungaba umXhosa
You could be a Xhosa
ungaba
tribe.
umZulu
You could be a Zulu
ungaba
tribe.
mShangana,
You could be a Shangana
ungaba
tribe.
uMpedi,
You could be a Pedi tribe.
Mtswana.
You could be a Tswana tribe.
kunendlela
There is a
owayifika
manner in which
yenziwa
was
lapha ekhaya kini okhokho
by
bakho
your progenitor
ababengenisa ngayo
that you
umakoti
used to introduce
ukuze
the bride.
angene ekhaya
So they
ngokuphelele
should
umakoti kuleso
introduce
sibongo leso
completely and official.
ney'ngane ezalwa lapho
Even the children that are
Ngeke isale
given
ihlupheka.
birth, not gonna be left poor.
ngoba ingane ezalwe
Because
ngaphandle
the
komshado
child-
iba neproblem eyi-1
An
mase kumele
illegitimate
ishise
child
impepho
is supposed to burn the incense.
ila kuphambana khona izinto
The things get up and down.
lesoya yikho abantu abaningi begcwele
Many
inkinga
people are having
Abazali bakho
problem.
abashadile,
Their parents are not
awuhlawulwanga,
married, not paid
nesibongo
for.
osibizayo,
Even the
awazi
salary
nokuthi
that you are
kumele uqale
losing, you don't know where to commence from.
ubiza iy'dalwa
You are
zangapha
utilizing ancestors of the other side.
Ezangapha.
On the other side,
ziyakubanga
you are in
Into zakho ayilungi
disputation.
nje.
Your matters are tenebrous.
yogijima abantu ufuna usizo bakudla imali o-20,000 ungasizakali uyoze ubuye la
Up until you come to doctors.
sifike thina sikuxelele
Then you can
Sikugeze.
we can purify you.
sikuhlanganise namathongo
Then we're going to unite you with your ancestors.
ngoba abantu abaphumeleli
Because
nje
people don't succeed.
amathonga wabaqhelile
Their
eduze kwabo
ancestors are distant from them.
ngithi mina
Ngithi mina uyangibona
I
namhlanje
say,
can you see me? in the
Ngiyathanda
presence?
ukubheka emadodeni.
I like to face gentlemen.
Wemadoda.
Big men.
nina kumele
You
nakhe imizi
supposed
yokhokho
to
benu
construct
nithathe abafazi nizale
women,
iy'ngane
give birth to the
iy'ngane
children.
ey'zoba
Children
isibusiso
that
kuleli
will
khaya
bless you
hhayi
in this
iy'ngane
world.
ey'zoba isiqalekiso
Not illegitimate children.
khona amadoda la
There are men and women.
abanye bayaguga
And
phakathi
some are
wenu
getting
njengamanje
old among
abanalutho
you. They don't have
bahamba
anything.
omashonisa
They want to the
abanamali
doctors. They don't have money.
bayasebenza
They are
banjengabantu
working
abangasebenzi
like people that are
Abanye
unemployed.
babo.
Some of them,
abazenzi
it's automatic.
bathwele
They are
izono
carrying injustices
zobaba babo
of their
yize lezi
forefathers. They
ey'baphesayo
are suppressing them.
buhlungu kabi ngoba lapha khona abantu lapha nje
It's very
abangahlawulwe
painful
ngisho
that
ukuhlawula
people are not paid for. I eat damage prices.
khona abanye nje lapha ababiza isibongo mina ngumagubane
I'm
ngukhumalo
Khumalo.
kanti akuyena
No, he's not a
owakhona uma
Khumalo.
wakho waphuma washona ngaphandle eseshadile wabuya nawe
Married already.
So,
brought you from
ufaka isiphanda
outside.
sala.
You putting this traditional bangle of this
Kanti
place.
awuyena owakhona.
Yet you don't belong officially to this family.
khona abanye la
There are people here.
abangazazi ibongo
Don't know
zabo
their official surname, biological father's surname.
ubaba wahlwanyela imbewu
No, just sprinkled.
Bashiya kanjalo.
Then he abandoned them.
kukhona abanye la
There are people that are here.
imali abangayiboni ngempela
Money that is vanishing.
abanye abathole ngisho
Some don't
umsebenzi
got even a job.
Omunye uthola umsebenzi uphele manje.
Job finishes right now.
yingoba
It's because
kubheda
they are damn,
impande
the root. Something is not right.
yini impande
What is a root?
baye bethi-ke bathi hayi impande
Say
kufuneka
the
impande
root, need a root.
Abanye bathi umuthi.
Some they say
Mina
it's a
kangikhulumi
herb,
ngomuthi.
it's a herb. I'm
Ngikhuluma
not talking about a herb.
nge-foundation
I'm
yakho.
talking about your foundational basis sakelo.
ngilokhuze lapha
Let me,
mawulele
when you are sleeping,
kumele uphuphe
you must have a dream.
baba angibheke emahlweni
Look at me, the eyes. Father,
uyalihamba isonto
do you congregate?
ngiyalihamba wena baba uyazi ukuthi kufuze ngabe umuntu
You're supposed to be a
onesikhundla esontweni
person with high position
ngoba unaso isiphiwo.
ecaweni because you are gifted.
Uphi umfazi?
Where's the wife?
Umfazi lenze ngihlala naye babe sesahlukana ngihlala nalomunye nya.
Oh, uphi lokuqala lo?
Where's the first one?
Wekucala ukhona la eGoli eAlexandra.
Umgcineni.
When was the last time you saw her?
Mina ayisengimgcina kudzala ngoba ngihlala eSwatini ngisuka eSwatini.
Eswatini.
So,
Oh, uhlala khona manje?
you staying there?
Yebo ngihlala khona.
Usondaphi?
Where do you worship?
Sonda eZCC send engenas.
Eh?
eZCC send engenas.
Kuyini lokho?
What is that?
Sejube.
Oh, khanyana.
Yeah.
What was that to see?
Wenzani lapha kukhanyana?
What position do you have there?
Good position ngiyakhonda nje.
Kodwa uyayifuna iposition.
Do you want it?
Ngiyayifuna ba.
Ubani ongayithanda iposition?
Everyone like it.
Masikhuluma akekho. Ukhona ongayithanda? Ukhona ongayithanda
No,
imali?
oh, anyone who doesn't like it?
Ukhona ongathi akayithanda imali?
We don't like money.
Uma ngahle ngikhiphele imali nje elapha nje ngithi hey ngiphathe ngiphose phezulu. Ungabona ngishisa lekazi sishiya isitulo lapha.
Even the old ladies will jump for it.
Baba ngicela ukuthi uye la phezulu nawe ngifuna ukukusebenza. Woza ngapha.
I want to be busy with you. You must also go up there.
Ugcinene ni kwakhanyana.
When was the last time you attended the church?
Emoria baba uyaya?
Ngiyaya.
Do you go to
Ugcinene
Mama?
Emoria.
Ngiyaya baba.
Ugcinene
When was the last time you went there?
Ngagcina 2020 kungakaqali iCovid.
2020.
Yeah.
2020.
Okay. Baba ngizokubusisa izinto zakho izoqaqa.
I'm gonna bless you. Your matters will be unlocked.
Ngiyabonga baba.
Uzobe ithi ngisize
I'm
baba.
going to say,
Ngisize baba.
Ngisize mprofeti.
Help me,
Ngisize
prophet.
prophet.
Ngisize baba.
Ngisize baba.
Ngivulele
Ngivulele
izinto zami.
izinto
My
zami.
Khanyisele.
Illuminate for me.
Usuka phela mama.
Where to come from, lady?
Usukaphi?
Where to come from?
Eh? Eh?
Ephiri la iSoweto.
Phela.
Epiri.
Upho baba kwakho.
Where's your biological father?
Baba umntwana
Ophi?
khona la.
Ambize naye.
Partner, please call him.
Biza bonke nobaba namhlanje.
Everyone. I call both of you.
Baba,
Father,
wena worried.
uyesaba.
Wena ukhathazekile.
You are disturbed.
Yeah,
Inhliziyo yakho ikhathazekile.
Your heart is troubled.
yeah,
Iproblem ingane.
Inkinga is the child,
yeah,
Angithi
yeah,
isn't it?
ingane inkinga.
yeah.
The child is a problem.
Mina ungibonephi?
What did you say me?
Ukuze ube la.
For you to come here?
Ngakubona ku-TV and then umntwana wathi mayefika ekhaya ngamsa kwenye indawo bangilayela ukuthi angimlethe la kuwo.
Wamhambisa kuphi? Umuntu osebenza ngabantu.
Consult
Yeah.
somebody.
Wayesethi lo muntu hayi ngeke.
Son,
Wathi
No
ngeke
ways.
amsize
Can't
kumele ngimlethe
do.
ucama.
go to Dr. X. Clap the hands.
Okay. Ngizokusiza ithi ngisize
I'm gonna
baba.
help you. Say, help me, Father.
Ithi ngisize.
Say, help me.
Ngisize baba.
Mina njengoba ungibona ngila
As you can see me in your presence.
ukuze kugcwaliseke
For me,
amaphupho
my
ami.
dreams to
Ngaphupha.
come true. I had a dream. You can
Baba
relax.
ngizokusiza.
I'm gonna help you, Father.
Lengane yakho
This child of yours.
ihamba nani kuthiwa yini isnake inyoka. Yazi inyoka.
serpent. Do you know it?
Yeah.
Khona le moya elene
The
ishasa
spirit,
satanist.
that's like
Ukuze ngaleyo moya.
diabolic spirit.
Satan.
Satan. The spirit
Uyawa lo mntwana.
is
Uyawa.
collapsing.
awe
She collapses sometimes.
ukulokhu ukukhuluma iyakhuluma
Can she speak?
imake ngizakuzwisana
Hold it.
manje ngifuna amanzi
I want water now.
okay
Lo,
langa
Michela.
thatha ilokuzana isigubhu esiempty lapha
Empty container there.
sephi isivalo
Where is the cap?
usathane ngimehluza
Our devil is defeated by me.
usathane lona ngimehlele amandla akhe
Dear.
lona uhamba nabalo
Who's with this one?
wena usukaphi
Where'd you come from?
Enaleti.
nalethi
Nale.
nayo lengane ine problem
This child has got
Yeah,
inkinga also.
okay kahleke ubhasobhe akusewona amanzi lawo.
Careful, this is not ordinary water.
ngizothela amanzi kuye lawo
Use some water.
lento izonyakaza
This
awuthatha
must
umbuyisela
shake.
umbuyisela
Bring
Where's it up?
her
Lawyer,
this
lawyer,
side.
lawyer.
That one there.
loya umbuyisela
Bring her this
lo
side.
mbuyise ngapha
This one must come this side.
khona into engifuna ukuthi ikhulume
There is something that I want.
hey
Okay.
yes nantsoko iyanyakaza lento second mama uzongibonga
Mother, you're gonna thank
Uyangizwa?
me.
Uzongibonga.
You're gonna thank me, mother.
and ngifuna ukuthi na Sunday ne
I want Sunday.
Sunday, futhi ubuye
This
nayo.
Sonto, I want you to bring her back.
ayinyakaza lento
Let it shake.
iyasha
That burns.
iyasha
It's burning.
iyasha
Burning.
iyasha
Burning.
iyasha
Burning with this water. Burning.
nantsoko enyaweni
Be careful.
nantsoko enyaweni
On the feet.
nantsoko enyaweni
Feet.
nantsoko
On
enyaweni
the feet.
ubalela ufunana
In there, what do you want? What
ubalela
do you want?
ubalela
Who are you?
ubalela
Who are you?
nifunana kulengane
What do you want in this child?
nifunana
What do you want to her?
nifunana
What do you want?
nifunana
What do you want here?
nizowathani
What is it that you want to do?
baba kahle
Hold it,
umbhobho.
hold it. Nice.
nifunana
Where's the mic?
nifunana
What do you want?
nifuna ukuyenzani lengane
What is that you want to do to her?
nifuna ukuyenzani
What is that you want to do to her?
nifuna ukumbulala
You want to kill her?
nibuyaphi nina
Where do you come from?
nibuyaphi
Where do you come from?
nifaka ubani la
Who put you in there?
khulumani speak nifaka ubani
Who put you in there?
nifaka ubani
Who put you in there?
nifaka ubani
Who put you in there?
yendiyasho nifaka ubani la
Who put you in there?
nifaka ubani
Who put you in there?
niyasha
You are
nifaka
penny.
ubani la
Who put you in there?
khulumani speak khulumani speak nifuna ukwenzani
What is that you want to do?
nenzani
What are you doing?
okunye nenzani
What else do you do?
ningobani nina
Who are you?
ningobani
Where do you?
yes amandla
Power.
amandla
Power.
kahleke mancane
Hold it, little bit.
qala kuye
Distance yourself from me.
kahleke ngithi kancane ukwehlisa umlilo kuye
Let me reduce the fire.
Ngamsebenza lamanzi.
Water is doctoring.
Nansi lapha enyaweni lethu.
They're in the feet.
Na enyaweni.
They're on the feet.
Ayinyakaza.
Let it shake.
Ayinyakaza.
Let it shake.
Ayisha.
Let it get bent.
Ayisha.
Let it get bent.
Ayisha.
Let it get bent.
Ayisha.
Burn.
Yasha.
Let it bent.
Yasha.
Let it bent.
Yasha.
Let it
Yasha.
bent.
Yasha.
Let it
Yasha.
bent.
Ngibabile.
I got it.
Ngibabile.
I got it.
Ngibabile.
I got it.
Enyaweni.
Feet.
Phuma uye.
Out.
Phuma uye.
Out.
Out.
Leave her
Pumani.
alone. Leave her alone.
Pumani.
Leave her alone.
Pumani.
Oh my God.
Pumani.
Get out.
Phumani.
Get out.
Phumani.
Get out.
Okay.
Look.
Kuthiwa angimphoyise amanzi ngibulale
Because
ngaphakathi.
we want to destroy it from inside.
La isweni amvule.
And belly, open her belly.
Emlonyeni. Yes, ayishe ngaphakathi.
Let it get bent
Ayisha,
inside. Let it
Ayisha
get
swing.
bent, bent inside.
Ayisha swing.
Side is stomach.
Ayisha swing.
Get bent inside.
Ayisha swing.
Get bent inside.
Ayisha swing.
Get bent.
Ayiphuma lento.
Let go out.
Ayiphuma lento.
Go out.
Ayiphuma lento.
Let it go out.
Yasha.
Get it bent.
Yasha.
Get it bent.
Yasha.
Get it bent.
Ngekhwaza.
Ah, step it.
Ngekhwaza.
Step it.
Ngekhwaza.
Step it.
Ngekhwaza.
Step it.
Ngekhwaza.
Ah, step it.
Natsake. Natsake.
Where is it?
Phumani.
Out.
Phumani.
Get out.
Phumani.
Get out.
Phumani. Habari.
Go.
Habari.
Go out.
Habari.
Go.
Habari.
Go out.
Habari.
Go.
Phumani.
Get out.
Phumani.
Get out.
Phumani.
Get out.
Phumani.
Get out.
Yes, nakamandla.
Say power.
Nakamandla.
There's power.
Iyasha.
It's getting bent.
Iyasha.
Where is it getting bent?
Iyasha.
Get it.
Iyasha.
Get it.
Iyasha.
Get it.
Iyasha.
Get it.
Natsake
Let's
truth.
go. It's going out.
Iyathuth.
Going out.
Iyathuth.
Going out.
Iyathuth.
Going out.
Iyathuth.
Going out.
Iyaphuma.
Evacuate it.
Iyaphuma.
Evacuate it.
Iyathuth.
Getting out.
Natsake iyasha.
Evacuate it.
Iyasha.
Going out. It's getting
Iyasha.
bent. It's getting
Iyasha.
bent.
Iyasha.
Bent.
Iyasha.
Bent.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Clap the hands.
Ubani igama lakhe?
What is her name?
Akhona.
Eh?
Akhona.
Akhona ngibheke emehlweni.
Akhona. Look at the
Ngibheke
prophet.
emehlweni iza kimi.
Come to me.
Akhona
Akhona.
waza kimi.
Come to me.
Come to me.
Oh,
Akhona waza kimi.
Oh, Akhona. Oh,
Waza kimi,
come to
Akhona.
me. Oh, Akhona.
Sawubona Akhona.
Hello, Akhona.
Ufunda bani?
What's another two?
10.
Great.
Imaka encane. Mancane, imaka encane iqedele la.
Let me finish, accomplish the mission.
Ima lapha ngemumva.
Support her.
Yes. Vuse futhi.
Wake her up.
Vuseke. Akhona ngibheke emehlweni.
Akhona, look at me in the eyes.
Ngifuna ukuthi ufunde kahle
I
esikoleni.
want you
Waza kimi.
to learn
What's again?
very well. Come
Ubusisiwe
to me.
namhlanje,
You are
yes.
blessed today.
Awubaba umprofeti ngapha waza
Hold the
kimi.
prophet, hold the prophet.
Waza kumprofeti
Come
manganyawo.
to the prophet, be upon your
Ethi
feet.
baba umprofeti.
Say, Father prophet,
Ngicela ungisindise
help me,
ngale
fill
ngelosi
me
yakho.
with your angel.
Ngifuna ukufunda.
I want to
Yisho?
learn.
Yisho?
Say it.
Yisho?
Say it.
Ethi baba umprofeti.
Say, Father prophet,
Ngiyabonga.
thank you.
Ngiyabonga
I thank you
ukuphila.
to live.
Ngithi yonke le moya
All the spirits,
yonke ayisale la.
all, they must remain here.
Yiza kimi.
Come to me.
Waza kimi.
Come to me.
Okay. Hlatsela phela.
Let her sit
kancane.
down for a few minutes.
Usase dizinyana.
Still, this vertigo thing.
Vusela ingane la.
Work that one up.
Vusela ingane la.
Work her
Lona
up.
ubani igama lakhe?
Oh, what is this one's name?
Wena uthe usukaphi?
So, what you-
Enalethi.
Uyaqala ukuza la?
first time coming here?
ngagcina usasengala ngazi.
Ngale.
On the other side.
Okay. Ungifune wangithola.
You look for me.
Ulethele ngane.
You found me, brother child.
Uzoyiphilisa manje.
I'm gonna heal this one right now.
Usuyihambisile, uyihambisile
Been
kubani?
consulted.
Uyihambisile kubani?
Did you try somewhere?
Uyihambisile.
Ngihambile.
Abantu behluleka.
Right.
Yebo,
They
baba.
I
failed.
will tell you now.
Ngizokwelapha.
Bheka phela, bheka emehlweni.
Philisa, right
Bheka
now.
emehlweni.
Look at me, my
Bheka
child.
emehlweni.
Look at me.
Bheka emehlweni
Look at
mntanami.
me in my
Vula
eyes.
amehlo.
Look at, open your eyes.
Vula amehlo,
Open
ubheka
your
uprofeti.
eyes. Look at the prophet.
Shh. Come to me.
Oza.
Come. Come.
Oza to the prophet.
Come.
Oza to the
Imake, ngiyayishisa le nto manje.
I'm banning this thing.
Imake. Yes, yes. Nansi enyaweni.
Their feet.
Enyaweni.
On their feet.
Iyasha. Iyasha.
Benny.
Iyasha.
Benny.
Iyasha. Iyasha.
Benny.
Enyaweni.
On the feet.
Iyasha.
Benny.
Enyaweni.
On the feet.
Iyasha.
Benny.
Enyaweni.
On the feet.
Iyasha.
Benny.
Yashitha.
Benny.
Enyaweni.
Benny on the feet.
Iyasha.
Benny.
Iyasha.
Benny.
Iyasha.
Benny.
Enyaweni.
On the feet.
Iyasha.
Benny.
Iyasha.
Benny.
Iyasha.
Benny.
Okay, ake ngihambe
Okay, let me go.
esidalweni.
Let me go to the message.
Ke ngifune amathonga
Seek for ancestors,
onomkhubulwane
princess
abaphethe imvula.
that are holding the fertility
Ngifune
rate.
abasolwane.
So of whatever,
Ngihambe ngiyongena olwandle
go in
manje.
the midst of the sea.
Okay, ake ngihambe.
Let me depart.
Ake ngihambe ngokukamoya.
Let me go in spirit.
Ngihambe ngiyolwandle.
Let me go on trance to the
Ngide ngiye
seaside.
entabeni.
Enter the mountain.
La kwabuya khona obaba
Where our
bethu.
forefathers used to go.
Ithonga
No, the ancestor
elemvula.
of the fertility,
Ithonga
ancestor
elenala.
of
Njengamanje.
plentifulness right now.
Ngihamba ngeThekwini.
I'm going to the seaside, Durban.
Ngiyangena njengamanje
I
eThekwini.
enter the Durban.
Ngiyangena eThekwini.
I enter Durban.
Ngiyangena olwandle
Enter the
njengamanje.
midst of the sea.
Nalo olwandle.
There is sea.
Nalo olwandle
There is
ngena
no
kulona.
rain welter.
Ngiyangena.
Enter there.
Nakho kuyavuleka.
Opening.
Kuyavuleka.
It is opening. It's
Kuyavuleka.
opening.
Ngicela le ntombazane iphiliswe.
This girl to be helped. Healed.
Hey! Hey! Iphi intambo yami?
Where's my stripper?
Ake shonke Baba wethu Buyisa ngapha lo mntwana, buyisa ngapha. Babene mbuyisa ngapha. Babene mbuyisa ngapha ngifake intambo.
I want to put the strip against her.
Ngishisa le moya.
I'm burning the spirits.
Kahle uma umfaka le ntambo
The
umgade.
strip, be careful.
Uma iqeda ukungena la kuyena
After that one is gonna enter.
izosha le moya.
Then the spirit's gonna get
Fake le
wet.
ntambo.
Put it on.
Yeah, bakumpop.
Hold am I?
Yebo!
Oh yes.
Yebo! Ayishe!
Let it get burnt.
Yasha!
It's burning.
Yasha!
Burning.
Yasha!
Burning.
Yasha!
Burning.
Yasha!
Burning.
Ayiphume!
Let it go out.
Ayiphume
Let it
sweet!
depart.
Ayiphume sweet! Ayiphume sweet!
Out of the stomach.
Ayiphume sweet!
Out of the stomach.
Ayiphume
Let it
sweet!
go out from the stomach.
Ayiphume
Let it go
sweet!
out of the stomach.
Nifunani la?
What do you want?
Nifunani?
What do you want?
Nifunani?
What do you want?
Nifunani la?
What do you want?
Kahle ngikhuluma naye.
Hold it. Let him speak to her.
Kancane.
Hold it.
Nifunani kulo mzimba?
What do you want
Babumpop.
on this body? Hold it.
Nifunani la?
What do you want?
Nifunani la kulo mzimba?
What do you want on this body?
Nifunani?
What do you want in this body?
Nifunani?
What do you want?
Nifunani? Ubani la?
What do you want? Who's in there?
Ubani la kulo mzimba?
Who's in this body?
Nifuna ukwenzani kangani?
What is that trying to do to her?
Ha? Nifuna ukwenzani?
What is it that trying to
Ya? Nifaka ubani la?
Who put you in there?
Nifaka ubani?
Who put you inside there?
Mama yezwa ngithi.
Can you hear it?
Kahle ke, kahle uphopa kancane.
Hold it.
Mama,
Ba.
Ma.
Angifuni mawusuka la bese uyothuka
I don't want
abantu.
to go and
Ngifuna ukuthi uzwe
insult
ukuthi yini
people.
yenze emana wo.
Listen, what's happening
Ngicela
to the
nobaba
child?
wakhe
Ubaba wakhe.
asondele
Where's the
na-
father?
Baba, woza.
Father, please come this way.
Come, woza ke.
Woza to the prophet.
Hey! Nifaka ubani kuthimba?
Who put you in there?
Nifaka ubani? Nifaka ubani khulumani? Big. Ubani? Ubani loyo?
Do you know that?
Makhosi.
Ubani makhosi mama?
Who's my coach?
Ubani lo makhosi, eh?
Angazi makhosi. Uthi akaNkosi.
uthi wakankosi wakankosi
Wakankosi.
Coach.
Ubani?
Who?
abangakubo kwankosi la kuhlale kaboma wakhe
Kuthiwa natheni la?
What is that to do here?
Kuthiwa natheni?
What is that to do here?
Obani laba la?
Who are in there?
Uma kuyithonga likhuluma.
The sister was speaking.
Nizwa kanjani la?
What are you doing here?
Eh?
What is she saying?
Nizwa kanjani?
What is she to do?
Eh?
wathi uzenza ngcono
Okunye alizokwenza yini la?
What else are you coming to do
Nizwa
here?
kanjani okunye? Uthetha ngcono? Inqondo?
Bed.
Oh, uzombhala inqondo.
Close the mind.
Ikhona into ebizwa kwenzeka kulo
Something
mntwana.
was going to happen to the child.
Benizo ngelinye ilanga ubengezokubuya
One
ekhaya.
day she was going to vanish.
Kade ezohamba ningaphinde
She was
nimthole.
go astray,
Bayamthwebula umqondo.
bewitching her mind.
See. Ngithi baba nanka amafutha ongiphe wona. Uma ngibeka isandla ayishe le moya.
Let the spirit get back.
Ayishe le moya.
Let us
Yes.
get back.
Yes. Yes. Pumani! Get out! Pumani! Get out! Pumani! Get out! Pumani! Get out! Get out! Habani! Get out! Go! Habani! Go! Habani! Go! Yeah? Go! Pumani! Get out! Habani! Go! Habani! Get out! Kahle angemnikeze amandla
Let me
ngoba
empower
lento
this one.
izomcathamela
Because
futhi.
this one is going to sneak against
lapha
her.
ngemuva.
Look at me in the eyes.
Kade momva.
Support her
Kade lapha.
behind. Support her.
Bheka mina ntanami, bheka.
Oh, look at me, my child.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Lungi.
Okay, power ingene enyaweni, amandla angene
Wazo
enyaweni.
feet,
Woza mntanami,
foot,
come.
power.
Woza la kumina.
Oh,
What's
God,
again?
my child, come
What's
to the
again?
prophet.
Come to me.
Rosa to the prophet.
Come to me.
Rosa, come to me. Rosa.
Thula yesu.
Be quiet.
Prophet unawo.
The prophet is with you.
Ingelosi kaMprophet
The
izokwembatha.
angel of the prophet will always be with you.
Ngicela niphinde futhi
See,
lezi ingane lezi
these children,
nibuye nazo futhi lapha
bring
ngesonto
them
yesu.
also Sunday.
Ngiyabonga. Woza
You hear
kimi.
that? Thank you.
Ubani
Rosa.
igama lakho?
What is your name?
Eh? Ebiyenzeka yini ngo
What's happening to you?
ububonane?
What did you see?
Eh? Awazi bekwenzakala.
Don't know.
Ngiyabona lokhu uthakayo.
The witchcraft.
Ithi baba ngisize
Baba.
prophet.
Help me, prophet.
Prophet ngiyabonga.
Thank you, prophet.
Abangisize prophet.
Ngisize prophet.
Prophet.
Help me, prophet.
Woza mntanami, woza kimi. Idehla ke hlala lapha phansi.
Take it
Baba
down.
kahle lapha.
Take it down. Come to me.
awusenawo lapha kade ukhona
where you've been.
ngakulokhuza kancane ngikubonela kancane ngibona
Can I
khona
prognosticate for
indawo
you?
eyibizwa
Area.
manje ngilawo lapho osuka khona ukuthi wena kudala uyasebenza but imali ayikho
You're working there.
Ayikho prophet.
manje ngithathiwe nawo
I am taken now.
ngikhona manje
And
lapha kade
whenever
ukhona
you were
ukuthi wena uhlupheke kakhulu wena
that is
baba
how you got poor.
khona indawo eyibiza ngoshaft
Is area called
South Deep.
Amashaft.
indawo thiwani lapha ngoba nansi enye indawo shaft
Is another area.
South Deep.
4
Gune.
okay ngizosuka ngikudide umqondo
I'm gonna confuse your mind.
ngizosuka ngikuhlangahlanganisa
I'm
hlanganisa
gonna confuse your mind
kakhulu
too much.
okay langa awubuyisela ilokhu zani isikhwama sami
Islanga, bring ipesi yami.
uNkulunkulu makakubusise
God must bless you.
makabusise
Let
ukulala
him
kwakho
bless your presence.
makabusise ukuvuka
Let
kwakho
him bless you waking up.
amadimoni
Evil creatures,
nemimoya yasebusuku
spirits at night.
ngikugcoba ngogcobo
I'm
lokuxosha
anointing you
imoya
with the
emibi
anointing to chase away evil spirits.
amaphupho amabi
Dream, nightmares.
awukufa
There's death.
baba onamandla
Almighty God,
uNkulunkulu wezizwe
God of the nations,
zulu eliphezulu
fill heavens,
amanye amazulu eduma phansi
thunder from the below.
wayithola imali zakhe
Did
emsebenzini
you find the monies? Ilam samzak.
manje ngifuna ukubuyisela imali
I
Uyezwa?
want to.
Ngifuna
retrieve the
zona
monies.
mprofeti ndixakeke gqithi.
ufuna imali
Money.
Ngamandla ami ndandiwasebenzele kwezamayini.
asiphumile lezi mali
They're not
Nix mprofeti.
blocked.
okay ngizokusiza ithi ngisiza
I'm gonna
This
help
is
you,
the
sir.
prophet.
Help me.
Jehova baba Jehova baba umalusi oh kahleke awungibuyisele nangu umfowethu loya
That gentleman
lo
there,
mfowethu loya
that gentleman,
Ngicela eze ngapha cishe
let him come
niyamazi
beside.
hayi
Maybe you know
ngiyamazi
him.
kakhulu
You
nami
know him too much.
ubani umfowethu kwenzela
This one,
ha oh ubongani
he's a TV star.
konje uku-actor ukuphi
Ulinganisa whereabout?
oh iskim sami woza ngapha
Sami, come this side.
hayi naye iyamhlupha ingelosi namhlanje ngiyambona
Today is
uhamba nobani
interrupted by the
uphuma
angel.
kwakhe
Where is the man?
okay
Lungi.
lokho engenile ingelosi imhleli nje
The
bheka iyamsebenza
angel is upon him. He's busy with him.
oh uhamba nomama
Oh, with a
welcome.
partner.
ake nibashayele ihlombe
Clap their hands for them.
welcome
Oh, umukelekile.
siyathokoza
Oh,
kakhulu
we are very happy.
siyanemukela la ekhaya
Oh, welcoming you.
siyanemukela ashaye ihlombe
Welcoming.
likikise
Clap their hands and you lady.
phela thina siyibandla
We are a congregation.
lom-afrika
African
siyibandla
congregation
elingakhelwe
that is not
phekwe
made.
imfundiso
Fundiso.
Soze.
Education.
Ngithanda ukubonga kakhulu kungamukela kwenu ukuthi ngifike la ekhaya namhlanje. Sekunesikhathi eside kakhulu ngigula, ngingazi ukuthi ngiphethwe yini. kodwa ngiyatshelwa ngiyangena ngiyaphuma ngiyehla ngiyenyuka kodwa angikwazi ukuthola ukuthi kahle kahle yini inkinga. Ngithe mangena nje namhlanje ngathola ukuphumula ukusukeni kwami namhlanje kuhambeni kwami namhlanje sengiyazi ukuthi ngibhekephi ngiyaphi. Sengiyazi ukuthi sekuzomela ngiye kuphi ngenze njani. Ngizothanda ukubonga kakhulu.
Shaya ihlombe.
Clap the hole.